Hello everyone and welcome back again. Now we're gonna work on how to connect your Twitter account to your Roblox account. Now you might want, maybe you have a Twitter account, you have a Roblox account, and you want to connect those two for whatever reasons best known to you. Then the best thing to do is just follow the steps I'm gonna give you. Now first of all, make sure you have the Roblox app on your mobile phone, iOS or app or Android. If you're using iOS, download it from the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, download it from Play Store. So once you've gotten it and you sign in, create your account, and now you want to connect the both of them, what do you do? So from the home menu, tap on the more icon at the bottom, then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon from the options. Tap on account information. So from here, it's going to open up and we're going to see the option for social network. So scroll down, all the way down, you can see social networks. So want to connect Twitter, not Facebook. So tap on Twitter, then you put in your Twitter handle, and then end it with @Roblox. Let's say my Twitter handle is TKC, for example, TKC1234, blah blah blah. Then you put in @Roblox. So @Roblox, and then at the bottom here, tap on save. It's as simple as that. As you can see, the Twitter handle is totally invalid because it's actually fake. So put in your real one and that's it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.